ready to make the future that little bit better. All electric, sustainable, quiet. This is the new eActros. With a range of up to 400 kilometers and fast charging times, it's tailor-made for heavy distribution transport in urban spaces. But the Mercedes-Benz eActros is more than just a truck. It's part of a whole business ecosystem, taking in e-specific customer service, comprehensive consulting, innovative connectivity services, detailed route analysis, an appropriate charging infrastructure, and optimized energy management. Our new 3-stage eConsulting service guides you through it all, step by step. Route analysis, financial planning, rollout. It all begins with a route analysis for your fleet. That's the basis for every subsequent decision. How e-truck ready is your company? What's the right charging infrastructure for you? What's the perfect plan for electrifying your depot? What software and hardware solutions do you need? We'll advise you on all these issues from start to finish for optimum energy efficiency. Once we've agreed the right measures, your customized cost structure will be transparently itemized, analyzed, and optimized. After all, cost efficiency is another vital part of electrifying your fleet. During the rollout phase, we'll make sure nothing else hinders your transition to e-mobility. We'll advise and train you and your employees to use integrated software solutions like our intelligent energy management system. We'll assist with implementation measures and be there with dynamic support whenever it's needed. It's time to steer your company into the future of e-mobility efficiently and sustainably with a little help from Mercedes-Benz trucks. The new eActros. Charged and ready. Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.